Yeah, we are live. So, hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of the TLC Talk with Sachin Daya. Now, for the viewers, first of all, very good evening, and thank you so much for joining us in today's live session that we are doing. A very new no, live show that we are bringing for all of you, for the authors, coaches, trainers, and all the individuals, those who want to start a new business. So, welcome once again for to our first show, first talk of the Sachin Daya, the talk show with Sachin Daya. So basically, the this talk show is all about sharing the inspiring journeys, the transformative journeys of all the authors, coaches, trainers, and the leaders that we are having in our TLC community. So let me share what exactly TLC community is all about, and then I will go ahead with my guest. So Teachers Are Leaders is a community, a platform, basically a learning and implementation platform for all the aspiring and existing authors, coaches, trainers, teachers, those who really want to make impact and earn a lot of income and create a lot of independence in their life. So basically, we are a global community of like-minded people, which are going to help you out in implementation. It's going to help you out in taking actions. So this is one of our new series that we are bringing up for all the coaches, trainers out there who can learn from us and who can see if you can become, want to associate with us any way possible. So welcome once again. Thank you so much. And today's first episode, we have our very first guest. We have our very first leader, Dr. Anil Sharma. So thank you so much, Dr. Anil Sharma, for joining us today, and a very warm welcome on the TLC Talk with Sachin Dahiya.
Good evening, Sachin. Thanks for the opportunity, and good evening to all the viewers on a very nice platform for interaction and imparting knowledge to each other.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, Sachin.
thank you, Dr. Anil, for being there for being there with us. So basically, the very first thing I want to ask you is if you can just share your background a bit, what exactly you do, and basically your journey
Yeah,
as a professional. Yeah.
So, Sachin, I'm by profession I'm a qualified physical therapist
Mm-hmm.
and having an experience of 27 years working
Mm-hmm.
experience.
Yeah.
So I'm a graduate from Calcutta University. I'm a postgraduate from CCH University, and I've done many certifications also.
Mm-hmm.
And my college journey started in 1991.
Mm-hmm.
So I passed out from a very old premier institute of India, National Institute for Orthopedically Handicapped.
Yeah.
So I started my journey from there. And during this journey, I had like so many new opportunities came over my way, and I had an honor to treat our ex-president of India, Dr. R. Venkataraman, and his
Oh.
daughter Lakshmi Venkataraman also,
Oh.
and many industries also. I got the honor to treat them also.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a very practical journey of
Mm-hmm.
learning from your own mistakes also, and actually learning what is the need by the end clients. So that is my main takeaway from my journey. My journey itself is
Okay.
what basically patients are requiring
Mm-hmm.
and how we have to give them,
Yeah.
and that took me to actually get into the deep causes of the pain,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and that how I relate myself to
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
preventive part of physiotherapy.
Yeah.
Because like patient used to come to me for
Mm-hmm.
or to anybody else also to take care of their pains
Yeah.
and solution of their pain, but I found if we provide them solution for the cause of the pain, root cause of the pain, so actually we can prevent a lot. So that's how this preventive came into the action.
Okay. Okay. That's a really great journey, Dr. Anil Sharma. Thank you so much for sharing the way you have started in your the way you have started in your profession and how long you have come. Especially, I think there must have been key highlight when you have interacted with the minister, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now, next one is I want to ask you is about this community teachers are leaders. How you came across to this platform, and why you want to become a coach? Like being a doctor into a field of
Yeah,
doctor,
yeah.
treating people, being a consultant there, and then helping out people in as a coach nowadays. So how this all happened? Share a bit about that.
See what happens. See, Sachin, doctors. give consultation.
Mm-hmm.
So they are kind of inborn speaker. So when they are talking to their patients, they are giving them consultants. So they are actually giving them advices.
Yeah.
So people listen to them. So that was already there.
Mm-hmm.
But this pandemic got me, like I would say, it came as a positive vibe.
Yeah.
Because see what happens, we always say we don't have time. So we are busy in so many things, sometimes good, sometimes not good, sometimes required, sometimes not required. But what happened, this when this pandemic came, so lots of time was there. And TLC came in as in very accidental. I attended basically Murli Sundaram's one webinar,
Mm-hmm.
and that webinar was on basically how to take use of different digital tools. And that webinar, 2 hour webinar, actually inspired me a lot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I momentarily, after the webinar only, I contacted him and I joined it
Mm-hmm.
without giving any thought. So because what was lacking in doctor's profession, we are just doing our job.
Yeah.
So sometimes we are not well equipped with the technology.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
that technology came actually like it was came like suddenly, all of a sudden, and time was there, so many things, and so many a good platform came in front of me. So I
Mm-hmm.
just thought, why not utilize this time in this community?
Yeah.
And that's how TLC came into my way. And I joined it in April to 2020.
Mm-hmm.
And again, it's in April 2021. So it's been now, and today we are talking. So it's almost my anniversary of
Anniversary. Yeah.
anniversary of TLC.
Congratulations
Yeah,
for completing 1 year in TLC. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
So,
this was the thing.
all right. All right. I think that's a brilliant thing. And now another question that I ask you related to this is that how you went into coaching? Like, I'm sure you must have been consulting, and then you turn into a preventive physiotherapy coach. So how this branding happened for you, being as a preventive
So now,
physiotherapy
yeah,
coach?
that's a very good question, and
Mm-hmm.
like you will take out many things from me
Mm-hmm.
by taking this question. So I was having a very great old instinct in myself, like I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to write a book 22 years back,
Oh, okay.
right? So this was a thought when my
Mm-hmm.
sir, Dr. Jain Joshi, under whom I worked upon, and
Mm-hmm.
he wrote his first book that time,
Mm-hmm.
and that book was released in President House.
Okay.
Dr. K.R. Narayanan released his book.
Mm-hmm.
So he wrote that book, and when his chapter came for editing,
Mm-hmm.
so sir gave me his 1 or 2 chapters to Anil, just go through and find out the mistakes, printing errors.
Mm-hmm.
So I was thinking, like someday will come, or I would also write a book on this. And this idea came in that time and lost because I never got the opportunity and never got that hand holding.
Mm-hmm.
When I joined TLC, so I got that aura, I got that vibes. Maybe I can get that dream true in this region, and
Mm-hmm.
it happened.
Yeah.
And I started writing. The writing I started, I followed many templates. I followed the pura curriculum of how to write a book.
Mm-hmm.
So once you are right, and I have written the book.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
have written one book. So I'm an author. So when you
Mm-hmm.
become an author,
Mm-hmm.
so authenticity comes in.
Mm-hmm.
And when you become authentic, so you have content to deliver.
Mm-hmm. True.
And when you have content to deliver, you become a coach.
Yeah. Wow.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
you have a journey in front of you as a coach, because coach is what, to train,
Mm-hmm.
to teach what you have and what others don't have,
Mm-hmm.
or what they are looking for.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how this coaching and training portion came to my mind as a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Let me reach out to people, and when I'm giving them consultation in my clinic, let me reach out to them only beforehand, train
Mm-hmm.
them, coach them on preventive aspects of my physiotherapy, so
Yeah.
that they don't become a patient.
Mm-hmm.
That was the
Great.
idea came behind.
Yeah. I think that's a wonderful. What I can conclude from this is that you just started with as a tool. I mean, for TLC, you started as something marketing or something digitalization. Then it turned out to be you want to become an author. You have your dream and in front of you that you want
Yeah,
to write a book someday, and then that happened for you. And then suddenly you get into that coaching part of prevention, which I think there are very few people out there who talk about prevention in physiotherapy.
yeah. We lots of people talk about prevention because when they consult, when we give consultation, we talk about a lot of prevention, but
Okay.
we don't give emphasis on prevention.
Mm-hmm.
And when, as a doctor, when we don't give emphasis to patient when they are taking it,
Yeah.
so they go back and
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so that's why I made preventive part as my niche now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 Okay. So that's great. That's Thank you so much for sharing a highlight on that as well. So next thing that I want to ask you is why do you think that TLC is a platform for learners? Like, if you have to say, share from your personal experience, and why someone why someone need this kind of platform? For the first question, like, why someone need that platform? What do you think? And why it is a platform where you can learn and you can implement? What makes TLC the way it is right now, the way you have felt?
See, now since last 1 year, my learning is that uh, we everybody wants to learn,
Yeah, true.
but our learning lost halfway, or
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it lost before it starts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So a learning is accomplished when actually somebody teaches you. So a teacher came in and gave the lecture and went away. So
Mm-hmm.
some students may complete the lecture, some students may learn it, and some students will learn and half learn it and undo it.
Yeah.
But if a teacher is hand holding you every time,
Mm-hmm.
and then they are teaching other students, those who are learning at fast speed, they are
Mm-hmm.
teaching them also to handhold other students, those who are in back end.
Yeah.
So hand holding, it becomes a chain reaction,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and that puts in a right format of learning.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's so many things are available now. To you do a Google and you will get something, you learn.
Yeah.
But how you are going to implement it,
Yeah.
and
True.
how you are going to actually put it further. What
Mm-hmm.
next? What next?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what next is available when somebody has already done?
Mm-hmm.
Who is going to
Very
share
well
that?
said.
Who is
Very well
going to
said.
share that?
Very well
So
said.
that is the most important thing.
Mm-hmm.
So here in this platform, I found, and there I knew Sudhir Kollam, I know like Murli Sundaram, they are the co-creator of TLC.
Mm-hmm.
So they handholded few bunch of
Yeah.
participants, those who started with.
Mm-hmm.
Now they trained them, they taught them to
Mm-hmm.
pass on the learning to the next things.
Yeah.
And that's how the handholding was created, a chain reaction was created.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are finding somebody, some problem, you put it, and somebody will come with an answer.
Mm-hmm.
You're not waiting somebody specifically to give an answer.
Mm-hmm.
You are expecting X to give answer. So suddenly the Z will come into the action and Z will give you the answer.
Yeah.
Your purpose is solved.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that chain reaction of handholding is very important
Mm-hmm.
to actually implement the learning.
Mm-hmm. I think you have brilliantly explained the chain reaction that we you have said, because you look up to someone, the teacher, the mentor, and when they are constantly with you to help you out, and when they teach someone who's moving at a faster rate, so that they can teach someone who's already. So it's basically creating leaders, right? And there is saying that goes, leaders create leaders. The great leaders create leaders, and the good leaders create followers. But I think in TLC we have this one motto that we create leaders, and that's I think you have brilliantly explained on that as well. And yeah, I think what I want to add to your whatever you have said is that implementation is something where you need hand holding, because learning is everywhere. As you have said, on Google, you just Google it, any term, just go and Google, or put that on YouTube. You will find a plethora of options in front of you. You can go to YouTube, you can check. And not only about the coaching or anything, it can be about anything, any topic you pick. But when you implement, you're going to have those doubts. And when you're gonna have those doubts, who's gonna answer those doubts, and whom you are asking those questions,
Exactly.
right? That is something that I strongly believe. That's why you need a community. That's why you need a platform so that you can learn and you can move ahead faster, right? Thank you, Anil, for adding on that as well. So now a question on your book. That is something that I want to know for personally.
Right.
If you can just share about your book, how
So what happened? Yeah.
yeah, since it was a dream for you,
Yeah.
like how
So
you accumulated, how you put that from your brain, from your head into a piece of paper. Now it's a product, it's an asset for you,
yeah,
right?
it
As a
is an
coach.
asset. See, Sachin, actually, I was a guest faculty in many colleges of physiotherapy already.
Mm-hmm.
So I was teaching a lot of subjects.
Yeah.
So one topic was my favorite at that time also, and I used to teach that topic with a lot of passion.
Mm-hmm.
So that was on rheumatoid arthritis prevention.
Okay.
So I had treated few very complicated cases, like two ladies, they were on wheelchair because of rheumatoid arthritis,
Mm-hmm.
and both of them walked away.
Okay.
So that kind of passion was already there, but I was not having the platform to write it. So when I got this opportunity, so I used that particular topic,
Mm-hmm.
preventive rheumatoid arthritis. So
Mm-hmm.
what I was teaching in different colleges to my students,
Yeah.
so I was having that content.
Mm-hmm.
So it was easy for me to put it on a very schematic platform and put it on in the form of a book. Now
Mm-hmm.
the best part, what I was having in this book is, in our books, like we as in physiotherapy, we teach exercises.
Mm-hmm.
Now how to write exercise in the book,
Mm-hmm.
you can write down in your language, but Sachin may understand or Sachin may not understand that
Yeah.
language also.
Sure.
So that idea came sometime from TLC somewhere also.
Mm-hmm.
Why not try to give videos in book, but how that digital book? It is a
Mm-hmm.
physical book, not the digital book.
Yeah.
So how you actually share the video?
Mm-hmm.
So then what I did in this is I developed the QR codes of my videos and
Mm-hmm.
shared, get them printed in the book. So
Mm-hmm.
now whosoever want to go read out that book, the QR code is there. You will scan that QR code, and that video is actually available on my YouTube channel. And
Mm-hmm.
the reader will go to that particular video of that particular exercise.
Wow.
So this way, my book, physical book, become digital.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, I think what I can say is you have created a new way of writing a book and marketing about it, because
Yes, yes,
you can that's where there's a amalgamation of physical book, and then you have added the digital aspect of it as well. So
yes.
that's really wonderful.
So that kind of digitalization I learned from this platform only.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is really working on all preventive tips of rheumatoid arthritis patient,
Mm-hmm.
जिसको हम हिंदी में गठिया बोलते हैं. तो
Ji.
अगर किसी को गठिया है तो उसके लिए बुक पढ़ने में बहुत छोटी छोटी टिप्स हैं जो हम लोग रोज गलतियां करते हैं. अगर हम
Mm-hmm.
उनको प्रिवेंट करना शुरू करते हैं, उनको पढ़कर इम्प्लीमेंट करना, अगेन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कम्स इनटू दैट.
Yeah. Absolutely.
तो
Yeah.
बुक होना और बुक को पढ़कर इम्प्लीमेंट करना इज टू डिफरेंट
Mm.
थिंग्स.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's all come down to implementation. You have already said that. I think we have already focused on that. It's all about the implementation, and that's why this platform is there for all the viewers, those who are watching us, aspiring authors, coaches, trainers, or speakers, those who are watching us. If you're looking for any kind of platform which can help you out, so do check us out. Do let us know. Put that in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to connect with you and have a one-to-one call to know more about you. And yeah, we can share. Let's say if you can come ahead and we can help you in your coaching or training business. Thank you again, Dr. Nil, for sharing more on your book, because personally, since I'm a part of the mastermind that you are in, book is something that I also believe is kind of an asset that we can create right now, and and we can and the way you have created, the way you are teaching now in the mastermind, in the group of us we are having in Helios. Now you are teaching people how to make a book and convert and use it as a visualization tool as well, where you can share your QR codes, your YouTube links, and make it much more interactive, right? Because a book should, no one ever thought that you're going to share the QR code in your book. You can share the links of your YouTube channel so that people can read it. Then they go to the YouTube channel, they can see it, and they can implement then and there. So that's a really wonderful way of looking at things. Now let's come to a rapid fire question and answer. session where I'll be asking you 3 questions. You have to give the answer in 1 word if possible, right? So if I had to ask you TLC for you, if you have to mention in 1 word, what it will be?
Uh, TLC in 1 word. 1 word. So accomplishment, complete accomplishment.
Okay, great. Yeah. According to you, today's authors, coaches, trainers, and speakers needs what? 1 word again.
Handholding.
Great. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. 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 And your favorite fun moment or memorable moment in TLC so far, or Mastermind? Yeah, Mastermind TLC, same thing.
Right. So I remember that one moment when I first of all shoot my first video,
Mm-hmm.
and that was like, मैं आज इसको अगर देखता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने क्या बनाया
Uh-huh.
and that fun moment was like I was struggling to shoot in
Mhm.
front of my mobile camera. I was struggling to speak out, and I was like, I did many takes and then I discarded it. So that was fun moment. I now if I look back, so I see it was really fun,
Mhm.
and that fun created and converted me to a complete face camera focus, camera friendly, speaker friendly.
Mhm.
Now I can vouch for myself.
Yeah. And now you're giving wonderful keynotes. I think you have been invited on different platforms by Radio
Yes, yes.
City as well, Radio Gold, if I'm not wrong, recently.
Sorry.
Radio TV. You have also been.
Yeah. Yes. It was. I was on live radio live also, and now I'm conducting workshops. I used to conduct my workshops also,
Mhm.
and that kind of workshops I have conducted for Rotaries and many corporates also, business houses. I'm
Great.
conducting these kind of preventive workshops there also.
Great. Okay. In the end, a few more questions related to your specific niche and how you are typically helping out as a coach. We have to ask you if you can something that you can share in much more detail as a coach, and
Yeah,
if you can share something
exactly.
that.
Yeah, exactly. So exactly as I said, my niche is preventive. So I'm working more on preventive physiotherapy.
Mhm.
So now physiotherapy, we all know, like किसी को दर्द हो गया कमर में, गर्दन में दर्द
Yeah.
हो गया, या फ्रैक्चर हो गया, सर्जरी हो गई. So we all need physiotherapy for that particular
Yeah.
treatment.
Yeah.
So it becomes a treatment.
Mhm.
But अब आपको कमर में दर्द ना हो या कमर में दर्द अगर हो रहा है तो पहले वो बताइए क्यों हो रहा है. Every back pain or neck pain is not a disc problem.
Mhm.
Everything is not a spondylitis.
Yeah.
And these things, like I would say, when these are in budding stage,
Mhm.
they are simply muscular pains.
Mhm.
And those muscular pains are coming out from our bad postures.
Yeah.
And nowadays, like since last 1 year specifically, we are more digitally challenged.
Mhm.
Our screen time has increased.
Yeah.
So now we are spending a lot of time on sitting in front of our system or on the mobile, whatsoever digital media we are working upon.
Mhm.
What is happening is we are using so many bad postures. So I actually derive my niche from this only.
Okay.
See, if I talk to my IT people,
Mhm.
pandemic तो 1 साल हुआ है अभी,
Yeah.
लेकिन IT people तो they are working on computers since long back only. So they are spending 10 hours on this thing. So they are, I have seen कि एक स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस का पेशेंट 50 साल की जिस पे एज होती थी, आज वो 35 साल 30 साल की एज पर भी होना शुरू हो गया है. So why it is happening? So I found कि उनके ऊपर अगर हम काम किया जाए. So what I designed my programs for corporates, I designed my programs for IT people.
Okay.
Exercise at the rate workplace. So that is one of my concept I deliver nowadays. People say I work in my office or in front of my system for 15 to 16 hours.
Yeah.
So I don't get time to exercise. So I designed this program, exercise at the rate workplace or on your working chair.
Okay.
So you don't have time, but you are sitting on your chair. Lots of things can be done in front of your system on your working chair.
Mhm.
So you can prevent so many things to develop.
Yeah.
Similarly, I designed another program, posture knowledge at the rate workplace.
Mhm. Mhm.
आपके सिस्टम में आपका सिस्टम की पोजीशनिंग क्या होनी चाहिए, आपकी
Mhm.
चेयर की पोजीशनिंग क्या होनी चाहिए, आपका
Yeah.
व्यू एंगल कैसा होना चाहिए. तो वी ट्रेन, we teach them, we train them, we empower them to learn and implement so
Mhm.
that problems do not develop. And
Yeah.
because of these two concepts, I give sessions in all the communities.
Mhm.
So we can customize according to the community. If it is a
Okay.
hotel industry, so
Mhm.
there is a lot of standing work.
Mhm.
So we'll design from there them. If it is a dental industry, so dentists are leaning onto the chair, so we
Mhm.
can design from them. Similarly, corporates, IT people, we can design from them.
Yeah.
So customized programs are there. We can definitely teach them, empower them to learn and implement so that they can prevent things to develop.
Great, great. I think you have wonderfully detailed, explained on how you are helping vast majority of people from different backgrounds for IT professionals, for corporates and all. Thank you so much, Doctor, for sharing that. Anything you can offer for the people, those who are watching us, or anything that you want to share so that we can,
So
help
what
them out.
yes, definitely. People have people have listened to us. They've spared their important time in listening to us. So definitely
Mhm.
we must offer something to them. So
Mhm.
I would be offering a Google form link.
Mhm.
So if they fill it up, so it is basically regarding their neck problem.
Mhm. Mhm.
So it's basically questionnaire. They have to attempt that question, and once when they submit it, it will come to me, and the mail, my mail and their mail will be synced into each other, and then I'll give them a score.
Okay.
Your neck has got this much score out of this much.
Okay.
So where do you stand? What kind of things can be uh,
Mhm.
done for their neck prevention?
Mhm.
And that score can be given. And if they want to share me, they can share me their problem in the WhatsApp group also,
Yeah.
so that I
That's what I want to ask. Do you have any WhatsApp groups as well? Do you have any links for them?
yeah, no, I
Or
can,
anything?
you can share my number to them.
Okay.
If
All
there is a
right.
number, so they can directly pitch me
Mm-hmm.
on that number, so that
Mm-hmm.
I can give them a personal help also
Okay.
to begin with.
Okay.
That's what I can offer
Yeah.
to my listeners
Mm-hmm.
today.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Anil. I think those who are watching us, you can go ahead and fill the form. So after the live is over, I'll be adding that in the description. So you can go ahead and fill that form and take the maximum out of this live session and the offering of Dr. Sharma, the way he is helping out people with. So go ahead and fill that out after the video is over. You can check it out. In the end, any last message that you have, Dr. L, for the again for the people, those who are looking for one platform, those who are looking for any kind of hand holding, any one message for the coaches, trainers, authors, if you have from your personal experience, if you want to share with people.
So see, I would say if you are already a coach, trainer, or speaker,
Mm-hmm.
that time also you have to grow further.
True.
So for that also you need a hand holding. Somebody
Yeah.
is there to hand hold you to pull up.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are not a coach, trainer, or the speaker, or you want to become, so
Mm-hmm.
definitely you also need it. And I would say any profession,
Mm-hmm.
any profession, they all need coach. They
Absolutely.
all have coach.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it is.
True.
I used to have the why doctors. Why doctors? They are already
Mm-hmm.
they are like full with the knowledge,
Mm-hmm.
but that knowledge has to be shared.
Yeah.
That's how they have to become trainer also, coach also.
Also.
So I would say any profession require a coaching skill. Any
Mm-hmm.
profession require a teaching skill, a speaking skill,
Yeah.
and for that, I think a best hand holding is available on at the moment ASTS.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Thank you. I think thank you, Dr. Nil, for sharing that. Absolutely, you are very, very right when you said everybody needs coach. You can just talk about any successful coach or a trainer or any successful person in the world. They all have a coach. They all have someone who are they know who they look up to. They take advice from or they take the hand holding from them and implement that in their coaching or training or any kind of business or professional life they are in. So thank you once again, Dr. Nil, for sharing your knowledge with us, for spending the time on this very first episode of the talk show, the TLC talk show with Sachin Daya, where we got to learn about your transformation journey and about how a doctor turned entrepreneur, turned into a coach, and then into an author, and fulfilled the dream of becoming an author and writing the book. And I think right now you're writing your second book, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, second.
Great. Not only one within a year, he's now writing his second book. I think do watch out for that as well. I think we will keep on sharing these updates on our Facebook page, on Facebook profile as well. So you can stay tuned for that.
And I can share that Amazon link of the book also to you.
Yeah.
People
Sure.
can just look around.
Yeah, we can post that in. So thank you once again, Dr. Nil. Hope this session was useful for all the viewers, those who are watching us today. And as I shared with you, each week we'll be bringing this transformative journey of our leaders in TLC and what they have learned, why they felt the difference in their life, and what they have to say about TLC, about their niche, about the offerings they are having, and how they are generating more independence, more impact, and more income as well in the longer terms. Because here we help people out in creating assets, and book is one of the asset. And here, if you want to create your courses, any kind of hand holding you need, we have a community here of like-minded people. We have a mastermind groups which are going to help you out in taking those actions that you need to take. Because if you're going to go on Google, you're just going to search out and you will be flooded with a lot of information again. You're going to think ab mujhe itna sara karna padega, but here we provide you the specific things that you have to implement and grow in your coaching and training business. Thank you once again, Dr. Nil. Thank you so much for your time.
It is already filtered knowledge we get here.
Yeah, absolutely. Because we are learning from someone who has already been ahead of us. They are into this industry from 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, and we are beginners here in this coaching training industry. Thank you, Dr. Nil. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have enjoyed this.
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Sachin, for the opportunity, and it was a great talk show. And I hope we could do justification with our viewers' time. Thank you, listeners and viewers.
Thank you so much once again for tuning in today and for liking, commenting, and sharing this video with your loved ones and your profiles as well. I will see you in the next episode on the next week, where we'll be having another leader who will be sharing his transformation journey, what he has to say about TLC, and how we are creating more leaders so that they can create that impact, independence, and income in their life. Till then, go out there and take actions. If you're looking for any platform, then come to us. We're going to help you out in every way possible to make sure that you grow in your life as well. So, till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good night.